Hi everyone, and welcome to 1820 Winding Creek in Prosper, Texas. This home features 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 6,200 square feet of living space, and the best part is it sits on almost 2 acres. Let's go take a look. Prosper is quickly becoming one of the fastest growing cities in the North Dallas Metroplex. It is about 36 miles north of downtown Dallas and has some of the highest ranked schools in the state. People who are looking for an escape that is still close to the city, this is the perfect place. The home is located in the Gentle Creek Estates community and is just minutes from the Gentle Creek Golf Club. This truly is country living at its finest. Its prime location allows homeowners the opportunity to purchase properties on large lots like this one. As you enter the home, the first thing you're going to notice is this beautifully curved staircase and these soaring ceilings. On your right, you have a study with a stone fireplace and a coffered ceiling. As you continue into the home, you come into the formal dining room that has this beautiful millwork detail and crown molding. I truly love how this kitchen is the heart of the home. You have this beautiful white cabinetry, granite countertops, a Thermador 5-burner gas cooktop, and double ovens. Here you will find another stunning view of the property from both the breakfast nook and the family room. The spacious family room is the perfect place to relax. It has a beautiful stone fireplace and a beamed ceiling. On the main level, you have this expansive balcony which allows homeowners the perfect covered retreat to relax and take in the views. Homeowners can escape to the primary suite, which has access to the balcony plus a fireplace. The luxurious bath features his and her vanities, a jetted tub, and a frameless glass shower. Completing the main level is a guest bedroom with a full bath and a media room. Upstairs you will find a game room plus 3 additional bedrooms. Follow the stairs down to the basement where you will find the ultimate entertaining area. This floor plan allows endless possibilities. You have dual living areas, a full kitchen, plus a workout area. So this is what I've been waiting to show you. With these panoramic views, homeowners can enjoy both serenity and privacy in their park-like backyard. And if you like to entertain, this is the place for you. You have a large covered patio, a pool, and a spa. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to tour this property. If you have any questions, please give me a call at the number below or check our website, janrichey.com. I'm Rosa Collins, and I look forward to seeing you on the next home tour.